Let me see if I have any
All right, stick out your tongue.
Let me see if I have any bumps on in my I don't want the camera in front of me.
But what do you want to...
Heck.
You have to put your mouth here. This is what takes the picture. Stick your tongue out. Let's see. You see any bumps in there?
That's my big bump.
What? There's no big bump over there.
I want to see the big bump. Oh my God.
What is it? Honey, gentle.
I can see it over. No, put it like there. Here's my courtyard.
There's your courtyard. What do you see in the courtyard?
So here's my courtyard. Okay.
And what's in there? The pool.
And the gutter.
And your... Don't, honey, please.
I want to see what's down there.
It's not this.
Big.
Your toes are very cute. Let's see the other ones. Very cute.
But wait, there's a bump in there. No, I want to see something.
Oh, you want to see your bump? You got your chicken pox in between your toes. Ah!
What's there?
That's okay. It's going to go away. It's just chicken
I
pox.
want to see something.
Chicken pox, chicken pox, chicken pox, chicken pox, chicken pox. It's okay. How are you feeling today with your chicken pox? Go down the roller coaster.
With a dolphin?
Yeah.
No, I can't. Nowhere for my dog to go.
Nowhere for him to sit?
No.
All right.
No, I know how to do it. I'm turning him the other way and put.
Oh, that's a great.
No, I know how. So now do I put him on this?
Okay, good idea.
How do I put it on this?
Put it underneath the red part. And then pull it up and around and over the red part. No, put it underneath the red part. Push it through. Now pull it out the other side. Now make a knot.
I can't.
Alright, that should do it though, like that. You can try it like that.
Oh, you turn it the other way. I'll turn that the other way.
Then pick it up and turn it around.
Just to go in here.
Okay, let me help you. Ready?
Set. Go. It wasn't funny.
I'm sorry, but it was cute. The dog came with you. Why wasn't it funny?
Because I want to stay up.
Oh, on his wheels? You wanted him to stay on his wheels?
Yeah.
Want to try it again?
No, I wanted to tell you, I didn't want it like this.
Oh, how did you want it?
I wanted the pool to go inside of this.
Yeah, we can't because that's closed, so there's no way to open it. So now what's happening? The dog's going to pull you?
Yeah, like Santa.
Okay, there.
I'm going to move it.
There he is. Okay.
Then I don't want to go like...
You don't want to slam into the wall?
Yeah, no.
Okay.
Then I move my feet.
Okay, that's better.
I'm going to play.
Okay.
Pretend I'm Santa, okay? And you're me, okay?
Okay, ready and...
Person, okay?
Okay. And action. How do you feel, dog, after that experience? Let me see. Let me ask
I'm
you.
gonna give you
How
some
do you feel, dog? Ask. Will you talk for him? How do you feel after that? Not good?
He made it, the gasser.
How do you make that noise, the gasser noise?
I'll show you.
Okay.
Like this. Repeat after me, okay?
Repeat after you.
Okay. I'm stepping on a toe.
Ouch. 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 Ouchie. Wow, wow.
I'm slamming up you.
I'm not a mountain, you know.
Yeah, you are.
No.
And you're a plaything.
I'm not a plaything.
Yeah, you're a jumper.
No, don't jump on me. Ah!
You
Don't jump on me, bud. Okay, ouch, that hurts.
I'm gonna
Lay
lay
down. And here, we can see ourselves. Let's see. There we are. Where's that? There's that.
Well, see me.
You do?
Yeah.
All right. Tell a joke. Tell a joke. Okay, what kind of toy?
Do you don't want to have any? And
What's the answer? Don't.
my one.
What's the answer to that joke?
I don't.
What's the
want
kind of toy you never want to have? Adam.
I want
I gotta relax. Where's my tinkle ball? Say that. I gotta relax. Where's my... Say it!
I don't see me.
Okay.
Like.
What? Could you please tell me what the cat says in Stuart Little?
No.
Could you please tell me a joke?
No.
Could you please tell me what your name is?
No, you already know.
Could you please tell me how old you are?
No, you already know.
Oh, that's right, you're 54.
No.
Oh, that's right, you're 10.
No, I saw you on this.
Okay.
Come over
How
here.
old are you?
Yeah.
You're a cat? Oh, you are 13?
No, 4.
Oh, 4.
You're the stinkiest, Mama.
That's not nice.
Yes, it is. You don't know my name. Underpants. This is underpants.
No, it's not.
I'm trying to underpants on you.
All right, let me see how fast you can run. Move that green truck. And then you can watch it. I know. Move the green truck, though, because I want to film you running, and then you can watch it. You'll see how fast you are. I don't want to do that. I'll do it after you run and show me.